Ciao, I'm Mario, a Swiss car guy on YouTube, and this is my 2018 Kia Stinger GT, a car just recently acquired. And in the last video, I added a little comma AI device with OpenPilot to have the car, self-drive, or let's say have a really sort of decent assisted driving function, which I've been testing. It works great, but now is the time for the second mod for the car, because I got this, which is a cardboard box. And inside this cardboard box is a so-called Car AI Box. And the Car AI Box has nothing to do with AI. I don't know why they call it AI, but it's basically just a little, Android computer that you connect to your car's USB. If your car has Carplay, it connects through Carplay, and then it displays basically an Android operating system on your screen. So you can have your regular apps, you can have Google Maps, you can have YouTube. And today I'm going to unbox it, install it, and see if it works, because it should basically be plug and play with any car that has CarPlay. And let's see if it works. All right, this is the Car AI Box. Android 13, Android Auto, wireless CarPlay, blah blah blah, M61158 8-core split screen, 64 gigabyte, 128 gigabyte, 8 gigabyte, 128. So I bought 8 gigabyte of RAM, 128 gigabyte of storage. It should have sort of an 8-core processor. And here are the specs. And it's 8 plus 128, so it was the biggest model they had. And now let's unbox it. So let's see what's in the box here. Not much, it seems. Okay. So that's the little, ooh. Wow, this side looks better. This seems to be the bottom, but this is the better looking side. It has a SIM slot. Ooh, and a trans flash, so it also has micro SD, so you could actually extend the storage. And this is just a single USB-C where you connect it to the car. Then it has a cloud SIM guide, apparently. I don't need SIM operation. It has a user manual, which is fancy. Okay, interesting. And then we have cables. Okay, a SIM key. There's a USB C to C, okay. There is a USB A to C, yes, which is the one I will need because my car has USB A. But then there's this thing, which apparently is a USB pass-through. So if your car doesn't deliver enough juice, you can plug this into the cigarette lighter, plug an adapter in there, and then you plug your cable into here. But that's all. I think I should only need the USB-C, A to C cable, and that's all I need. So this is it. Let's plug it into the car and let's see whether it works. All right, so I need to plug this little unit into the car's USB. In this case, a USB-A, which my car is here. Let's plug it right in. I plugged the USB-A incorrectly for the first time. Oh my God. Okay, this is already lit for some reason because the car seems to supply some power. Let's put it, where do I put it actually? Let's put it here underneath, or maybe not underneath, because will it close? No, it will not. I don't want too much stress on the connector. Will this close? Yeah, this will close, good. Okay. So this is basically the installation. Let's see whether it works. All right, it's time to see if it works. Let's turn the car on. Oh yeah, it went directly to CarPlay. And now, all apps. We have car, we have maps, we have BT Music, we have APK. Oh, we even have the Play Store, which is nice. There is YouTube Music and YouTube. Let's see if YouTube videos work. I wonder what this thing is. Oh, it's like a quick access menu. Okay, I have to connect to the internet, of course. And now let's try YouTube, just basic YouTube. Does it work? Yeah. Sure, yeah. I will sign in later. Update available, I will do it later, I think. Okay, I will log into the various services and then come back to this video. All right, so I have installed a few apps and done a few customizations. This is still the stock launcher, which I do not like at all because I don't like it. I might change it, but let's try YouTube. Another click.
Ciao, I'm Mario, a Swiss car guy on YouTube, and today I'm sitting in the passenger seat of my 2018 Kia Stinger GT.
There is a bit of delay.
And the reason is I'm going to partially dismantle the car, a little bit, because I need to
I don't like this delay.
Something I ordered.
Do all these videos have delay? Yeah.
Crappy, but it only cost 48 francs. By the way,
maybe just this app has delay.
Because I am in Switzerland. Ciao, I'm Mario, a Swiss car guy on YouTube. And if you...
Oh, there is a lot of audio delay. I do not like that. Shouldn't this give me anything to go by? There's a lot of delay. This sucks. So my video has delay, which I do not like. Okay. And I also don't like this launcher, so I'll try to change it to the launcher I usually use, this one. Yeah, accept. Yeah. This works. Do not like that at all. Let's try a complete start. Let's see how long it takes to boot up from no power to working. This is in real time. Apple CarPlay, it's connected and it's booting up. It says Android. Okay, and I think it's here. These are all the apps. Seems to be working. Not that bad. Google Maps works. I hate this. It's not super snappy, it's okay. Here we have Smarttube. Does that work?
Very basic version of self-driving. The Kia has lane keep assist, it has adaptive cruise control.
This works as well. And what else? What more apps do we have? There's quite a few settings. YouTube Music. Yep, that works. And in general, it works. So it does everything it needs to do. And this is good. All right, so the little Android box is installed. It was not very hard to do, just plugging in the USB. So far, it's okay. I'm not happy about the audio delay, but I think that might be the car's fault. So the car adds that delay because of processing and amplifier and whatever. And it was never thought really to display video and while in motion. So I have to see if I can work around that or if I have to live with a grossly out of sync video and audio. But this is something I will do off camera. I fixed the delay. I mean, the delay is still here, but here in Smarttube, I can just set a audio delay. I'll do a negative audio delay of about half a second, and now the audio is in sync.
Sort of
Come on.
self-driving system. I think they refer to it as an advanced driver's assistance system, but this will be able to control the car. It will be able to.
So far it works. It worked right off the box. It's pretty good. This is not a sponsored video, even though in the past I have received offers for devices like that. But at that time I didn't have a car where this would make sense, and now I had to buy this, and this was surprisingly expensive. I think I paid over $100 for it because I wanted to have one with a bit more storage and more RAM. I'll put the exact price up here. I bought it on AliExpress. It works, it's plug and play. Let's see how long it works long term. My quick test showed it worked. It got pretty warm. It has a metal base, but I don't know how long it will last. I will certainly update in the future, but now I have my little Android in the car, so I have Google Maps in the car. I don't have to connect my phone every time, so that's already good. Plus, I can also watch YouTube, listen to the music, so it works. And with the little comma device driving the car, I have a bit of entertainment for when it's really boring on the motorway. And yeah, it might not be legal and whatever, but this is what it is, and driving is often boring, and I like to be entertained. Anyway, if you like to be entertained, consider subscribing to this channel for more future content on the Stinger, maybe the other cars, who knows. Follow me on Instagram at SwissCarGuyMario for frequent updates. Maybe, probably not. Comment down below, what do you think? Have you ever tried one of these AI boxes? Do you prefer to plug in your phone or use wireless Android Auto? Ah yeah, actually this should also allow wireless Android Auto and wireless CarPlay, I believe, but I never use it, and also I didn't get a notification on my phone, so I don't think it really works. But this is just a standalone Android. I like it that way. I have my apps on the device. It's self-sustaining. This even has a SIM card, which apparently you can subscribe to and then activate, but I'm not interested. I'll just have a wireless hotspot from my phone. Whenever I connect to the car, it just opens the hotspot and the box can connect to it, and then I just use my mobile data from my phone, which is unlimited anyway. And I use an app called MacroDroid on Android, which just enables Wi-Fi when the phone connects the car's Bluetooth. So that's very easy, and I don't have to do anything, and it just takes like 30 seconds until the car has internet. So that's all good, but the end of the video is now. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.